For an autonomous mobile robot, one of the most important feature is understanding of the obstacles, which is done through mapping. Now, mapping is very important, but also comes in the mind that if we don't have a map, we can avoid obstacles. Yes, you can. But there are three main reasons you cannot avoid a map. First of all, mapping keeps the history. And as in the real life, if we understand the bigger picture of our life, our decisions are different, same as in the robot. If it understands there is a wall after 10 meters, because of the map it has built, it is going to make a different decision if an obstacle is also coming in from in front. The second important thing about mapping is all of the path planning algorithms require a map to produce a response, a global reference to start point and a goal point. And if you don't have a map, a small path planned is going to work out, which is not optimal. The third important reason for having a map is because of the technique of loop closure. When you have loop closure, you reference your robot position based on the obstacles. Understand in a way that if you are in an indoor environment, walls are not going to move. You fix based on the walls, the obstacle features that you have in the map. So the final decision is again on the developer based on the application, because at certain smaller applications you can work without mapping, but if it's a more autonomous, more precise and more optimal solution requiring application, you are going to build a map and utilize it for your complete robot fleet. And if you find this interesting, you can check out the link below for more information.